Assalamu alaikum, this is Saleh Proof. Now today I'm gonna show you an easy recipe of tomato ketchup at home. As we all know, the marketized ketchup has been made from unhealthy ingredients like that starch for thickness and different dye colors, which is very unhealthy. So you can also make tomato ketchup at home. All we need first of all, fresh red tomatoes. Here I have 1 kg tomatoes. Now I'm gonna cut the upper part of all the tomatoes. So now I have cut the upper part of all the tomatoes. Now I'll add water according to my requirement and let it boil. Then I'll cover my pot. It will take maximum 30 minutes for boiling at high flame. After boiling, I'll slow down the flame for a while. Now as all these tomatoes are boiled well, as you can see, I'm putting off the covering of tomatoes. And then I'll blend the remaining portion in juicer. I'll add some water and blend it until it will convert in juice. Now I'll pour this juice in a pot by passing it through a strainer as it has seeds, so I'll remove them. Similarly, I'll repeat same process with remaining tomatoes. You can see the seeds. Then I'll add 1 cup vinegar as I have taken 1 kg tomatoes. Now I'm adding 2 large spoons sugar and 1 tablespoon salt. Then we'll make small cloth bag and we need a clean thin cloth. We'll add some garlic, 2 large cardamom seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks and 4 eucalyptus seeds. Then we'll tie up this cloth and then I'll add it in the pot in which we have tomato juice and boil it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for boiling and we'll mix it until it boils. The ingredients in this small bag will leave all their natural fragrance in this tomato juice. After boiling, we'll slow down the flame and heat it for maximum 2 hours. Now the ketchup is almost ready as you can see it is almost as same as marketized ketchup and we all have satisfaction that it is made from natural ingredients which are safe and healthy. Now I'll just remove the cloth bag and pour my tomato ketchup in a container. Thank you.